That growl from your stomach isn't a cry for food. It's the sound of a muscular deep clean, a microscopic tidal wave called the MMC. It starts 90 minutes after your last meal. This powerful wave sweeps your 25-foot small intestine. It pushes leftover food and bacteria downwards. The rumbling is just gas and fluid, sloshing through an empty echo chamber. But there's a catch. One small snack resets the 90-minute timer. Constant grazing completely shuts down this cleaning cycle. This allows harmful bacteria to multiply unchecked. So how long has it been since your internal housekeeper was allowed to work?